Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, May 19th, 2021. It is Wellness Wednesday, so here's a wellness tip. Drink at least 8 glasses of water each day to stay hydrated and flush the toxins out of your body. So that's getting rid of all the bad stuff that's not good for you and keep your body really hydrated. That's your tip for Wellness Wednesday. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Today for breakfast, we're going to have a ham biscuit, and for lunch, we're going to have chicken tenders. Tomorrow for breakfast, we're going to have a breakfast sandwich, and we're going to have a hot dog for lunch. Today's birthday, the only birthday I have on my list is Mr. Nick Slack in 5th grade, so happy birthday to Nick. Today's announcements. PST, all documentation should be uploaded and complete prior to the PST meeting on 5/19. This includes insight to behavior documentation. Ms. Horton sent out an email yesterday or the day before that listed the teachers who were going to be going to the PST meeting today, so check your email for that information. Also, all library books are now overdue. Those should be placed in the buckets outside your classroom, and Ms. Smith will be bringing them around, and I believe she has already sent out overdue notices for those who still had books out. If you are finished with your student reading textbooks, put them in your window seat, and Ms. Smith will come check them in if you haven't already, and you make sure to turn in your iReady teacher manuals. Late duty today is Miss Wolf, tomorrow is Miss Barnes, and finishing out the end of the week will be Miss Waller. Important dates. May 25th, we have our 5th grade transition programs at 9 and 10 a.m. Also, we have our end of the year celebrations that day. On the 25th, which is Tuesday, we are having a remote student device drop-off time from 3:30 to 5:30. That's Tuesday. We'll have it from 3:30 to 5:30. Then Wednesday, on our last day for students, which is a half day, we will have another remote student device drop-off from 8 to 11. And May 28th is the last day for teachers. We have 2 AR superstars we want to mention today. We want to make sure those kids get recognized. We have Kamani Thomas Millett and Aiden Henry. They have also met their AR goal for 4th quarter. Way to go. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Kate Shepherd.